What is up, guys? As you can see, I'm on vacation. Got the Corolla downstairs, and I'm going to tell you what I did with that car. Oh. Hello, guys. So guys, as I was saying, I redid the entirety of the cooling system. So new radiator, as you can see, new water pump. Have you guys seen a better engine oil filter placement? I mean, check it out. It's right here, bro. I can access it very easily. And it's so tiny as well, like, check it out. What is up, guys? So this just came in the mail. Let's open it. Here it is, guys. As you can see, pretty cool. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. And I also got this keychain. Guys, check it out. Yeah. Let's get back on the video. Okay, guys, so what I'm going to do now is paint this grill here. As you can see, it's pretty faded. I'm going to paint this grill. Guys, let's paint the grill. Just need to remove the badge. It's off. Okay guys, let's wait 10 minutes. Yeah, we'll get back to this and put it on the car. Yeah, check it out. It's awesome, man. He has this like matte finish. It looks pretty dope. Let's put it on the car. Here it is, guys, the final result. I don't think you really can see it on camera, but man, it looks awesome in person. Okay guys, so you're probably wondering why I replaced my radiator on the Corolla. So basically what happened is that I was on the highway going to Lamego. The Corolla overheated. I had to call in a tow truck and blah blah blah. What I did is I replaced the radiator, and now I'm going to buy a new thermostat, as you can see. I'm going to also do some maintenance as well while we're at it. New filter, new spark plugs, and this is just coolant and some O-rings and seals. Okay guys, I have all the parts to do the maintenance on the Corolla. You can see. Change the air filter. Okay, this is the old one. It's full of dust. Let's put the new one in. Little comparison. Okay guys, so I'm deleting this. You can see I'm deleting this part here because if you take a close look, it leads to behind the fucking headlight. Like there's no airflow there, you know what I'm saying? And with the hood closed and everything, like there's no airflow going there. So I'm going to route this maybe down there. I'll just leave it like here in this part. Let's see. Okay, this is out. So my idea is to route it from here and have it go inside this hole here. You can see inside this hole. Okay, so I've taken this apart. Let's put inside. Okay guys, as you can see, it's routed. It's right here. So it's going here with this airflow rather than behind the fucking headlight. Like there's no fucking sense. But whatever. Let's see if it makes a difference. Just need to tighten this in. Okay, so let's move on. Let's replace the thermostat. It's right here, as you can see. First, let's drain the radiator. Okay, guys, it's flowing. Let's clean this up a bit. Okay, this is out. Yeah, it's all crusty and shit. Okay, so as you can see, it's off. I'm going to clean this. Got the new thermostat here. Damn, this shit is dirty as fuck. Okay, let's install it. Okay guys, it's more clean now. Let's put the new thermostat in. Okay, that is closed. Now let's add some coolant. Okay, so this goes to 8.8 newtons. Okay, let's clean this. Okay, it's clean, let's go. Okay guys, coolant here, let's add it. Okay, the car is turned on. Let's check for leaks. Okay guys, it's full. Now just need to wait for the air bubbles to disappear and then that's it. Okay guys. That's it. It's filled. Let's open this up and start the cleaning process. Check it out. That looks way better. Here and here. Let's go. Now this side. Okay guys, as you can see, looking shiny.
The Corolla
Look
is
what we have with us.
fresh.
Lugia is finally here.
Let's go. I'm finally here after a month or something. Wasn't it? I think it was.
He finally got his license.
Yes,
So
finally.
he can hop in now.
Finally I can drive. Let's go.
Let's go.